Everyday English conversations. Real-life dialogues for language learners. Listen and repeat. Dialogue 1. At a coffee shop.
Hey, do you mind if I sit here? It's pretty crowded.
Yes, of course, have a seat, I don't mind.
Thanks. I was craving a good cup of coffee. What's your go-to here?
I'm a fan of their cappuccino. It's the best in town.
Sounds good. I'll give it a shot. By the way, do you come here often?
Yeah, I'm practically a regular. The atmosphere is nice, and it's a good place to get some work done.
Dialogue 2. Meeting a friend at the park.
Hey there. Long time no see. How have you been?
I've been good. Busy with work, you know how it goes. What about you?
Same here, busy as ever. But hey, I thought we could catch up over lunch. There's this new sandwich place nearby.
Sounds great. I'm in. What time?
How about 12:30? Gives us time to chat and enjoy our meal.
Perfect. See you there.
Dialogue 3. Shopping for clothes.
I need a new pair of jeans. Any recommendations?
You should check out that store on Main Street. They have a variety, and the prices are reasonable.
Nice. I'm on a bit of a budget. Do they have sales going on?
Yeah, they do. They usually have discounts toward the back of the store.
Awesome, thanks for the tip. I'll head there after work.
No problem. Let me know if you find anything good. Happy shopping!